So this is injector number 5. Here is the 6 used one put in place. Gonna go over the nuts with the torque specs once more. I'll remove the depth alignment block. So I guess it's quite simple in that sense. This nut bolt and alignment block helps you align the depth of the injector. When I put it, yeah, it was loose as I was trying to tighten that nut. It wasn't quite aligned, so I knew it was not seated fully. When I tightened this one, there was a moment where it kind of set it in and then got a little loose, so I tightened it even more, and then it bottomed out on the actual housing. So, and that tells me that this is what makes it sit in the right depth. And once that happened, this tube aligned properly. I was able to tighten this, and as well as those two screws. Again, I'll remove it once more just to tighten those two screws to spec. Put it back. Those bolts will need to be tightened. I didn't touch the rocker arm bolt, this one, so I'm not gonna do that. Again, just trying to minimize the procedure because I'm not very familiar with valve train alignment. So wanted to show you this. So this is injector number 5. You saw the previous one. Again, this is 106 7056 AZ. This one, the gasket stuck to the little piece there, that one. So I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna do, probably pry it up. I did use the same crossover tube as was in the engine. I didn't use these ones I got with the old stock, but wanted to show you something. So, first point, I'm gonna just replace 2 injectors. The reason being, once I cleaned it, you see that nick? So they sent me one defective, and it's not quite as good as the other 2. It is a little bit pitted. The shoulder looks okay, but anyway, with that neck I wasn't sure. I'm kind of running out of time, so I'll see if they'll take it back or not. But aside from that, I want to show the number 6 and number 5 injectors. Look how crusty. And I'm hoping this is what's really the root of my problem, this crustiness. I'm guessing it injects through here. I don't think, is it through this? I'm not 100% if it's in this part or in here, but in any case the whole thing is kind of crusty. So I hope that that's the cause of my problems, and in comparison to this was number 5, and sorry, number 6. So this is injector number 5, same story. It is a little better here, but I think it's the same. Oh yeah, yeah. So you can see the crustiness on it. So this is number 5. And then this is the one I got. the tip is very much in better shape than the other ones. It's still so there, looks much cleaner. So I'm hoping for best. This is what I'm putting in number 5. Cat KO. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's remanufactured or what's the story, and really what's their condition. Taking a risk, but that's the best I could do at this point.